If a toothbrush or a banana is visible or strongly suspected to be the cause of a toilet clog, stop aggressive plunging and switch to targeted removal methods immediately. First, put on heavy-duty gloves and protective eyewear to avoid contamination and splash. If the object is reachable by hand, reach in slowly, grasp firmly near the bowl rim, and pull straight out to avoid pushing it farther into the drain. For items just out of reach, use a grabber tool or a dedicated toilet hook made of plastic or stainless steel to snare the object. Avoid wire hangers because they can scratch the porcelain and break. If the object has passed the trap but remains near the entry to the drain, use a toilet auger designed for toilets. Feed the auger gently until you feel resistance, then rotate and retract to either retrieve the item or break it up enough to pull it back. After removal or partial breakup, flush small amounts of water to confirm free flow and avoid a full flush that could cause overflow. Always disinfect the bowl and any tools used afterward with a household bleach solution or an appropriate disinfectant. Common mistakes include continuing to plunge when you know a solid foreign object is present, which can push the item deeper and damage the trap. Stop plunging and switch to manual removal or an auger. People often reach in with unprotected hands, which risks exposure to pathogens and injury. Always use heavy-duty gloves and eye protection and consider a grabber. Homeowners sometimes use chemical drain cleaners on a toilet clog caused by solid objects, which is ineffective and can be dangerous if you then attempt manual removal. Do not use caustic chemicals for this situation, and if manual methods fail, call a professional plumber. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice on handling common household problems like non-flushable object removal. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and responding to homeowner inquiries.